everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today we are in a bit of a strange place, but that's because we are moving where I start my seeds. We're going from the back room into the main room of my basement, and we're gonna set up right here, right where we keep all of our gym equipment. It's kind of just become a dust pile. We used it a bit whenever we first went into lockdown, but now it's just kind of wasted space. So I'm going to set up right in this back corner. And also the back room is a little bit dry, so it's not the nicest place to start seeds. The light timer that I was using got stuck. So the lights were on for almost 2 days and it burnt nearly all my plants. Hibiscus isn't too bad, but it did. Some of them have dropped nearly all their leaves. They are pushing new growth, but definitely something I'm having to switch up now. So moving them into this area, I think will be a lot better, just so I can monitor them more, see the actual growth, and so I'm not cramped in the back room, you know, trying to squeeze by while I look at my plants. So much needed change. First thing I'm gonna do is sweep out this area, move all of this to the back area, then we can finally clean up this rack, put it into place. Also put the table there, and I think that's gonna be so much easier to film videos. Like, I think that is a perfect little image. I'll have all the lights behind me, and I can work here, do my seed stuff. I'm also gonna toss out anything that's dead. So since I had kind of a light malfunction, a lot of my plants got crisped by the light, especially here. My basil just got cooked. Some of them are still slightly alive. I'm just gonna restart this tray. It'll just be easier. I got plenty of seeds. I need to set up all the lights. You can see they're just kind of hanging there. The wires. Now that it's out in the open, I can't necessarily have that. I do have a cat, so she might want to chew on those dangly wires. So I gotta wrap this thing up, make sure it also looks a little bit more presentable, because right now it looks kind of messy. Took down all the lights and organized them to where I want them. Now those lights are going to be on this shelf hanging down, those on that shelf hanging down, and then the top row I'm just going to lay right on top at the top shelf because it's so short up there I can't really put anything else. Might as well just rest the lights on top so they can shine down. Now the plug is right there, so I have the cord for the first one running to the plug, flipped reverse, because all of these lights hook into each other, which is great. So this plug will then go in here. Try to do that one-handed. We'll go in like that, and then the reverse over there, and then that one comes down, and so on and so forth. And to secure the lights, I'm just gonna use some zip ties. It's what I got on hand. I did use string before, but I find they move too much. Okay, all finished. That was really exciting. You can see now I have 3 shelves with lighting, 3 lights per shelf, all the way going up. Oh, this isn't a big deal to some, but for a lot of you, I'm sure you're looking at this and you're going, wow, that gets me excited because it's organization. And it's the start of the seed sowing season, which is just around the corner. Like in about a week or two's time, I'm gonna be starting my hot peppers. and probably a few other things that just take a longer time to germinate. I also have some annuals I want us to get started sooner rather than later because I'd like them to get, pretty large and good size to actually put them out into my yard. But yeah, this has been a really productive video, even though we didn't plant anything, we didn't do much, but organization is half the job. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay gardening. Yeah, this is still gardening. Bye.